Hey YouTube, it's Naturally Breezy here, back with another video about my wash day. So I know I talked about it in a video before that I no longer braid and band my hair. I'm 3 months into my Microlocs journey and I accidentally stopped braiding and banding my hair because I was helping my neighbor with some yard work and so much dirt and debris got in my hair that I had to wash my hair without braiding and banding, or I wouldn't have gotten the stuff out of my hair. After that, I have not braided and banded since, and I have been fine. The only slippage that I get, I honestly only get from exercising, not from washing my hair, because I just washed my hair the other day and you can see this little lock in the back here is holding on strong. So I just stopped. So this is a video on how I do it. So I'm going to cut to some film of me washing my hair. Y'all, it's first thing in the morning. I look rough, real rough. It is fine. I mean, listen, do it for the YouTube, right? Not for the gram, do it for the YouTube. So what I use to wash my hair is the same thing everybody uses on YouTube. It's the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. You see, I'm 3 months in. This is all I've used. And I really haven't used it all because I put it in my spray bottle. I'll put a link to this bottle on YouTube. Actually, one of my favorite YouTubers she's selling her version of this bottle. I'm going to put her link down there because I like her and I want to support her. And I actually might buy her bottles just because I want to support her. But anyway, this bottle has about that much, literally that much soap in it, shampoo in it, and then the rest is distilled water. That's it. It's all I use. And you see, I labeled it shampoo. This is just some masking tape that I labeled shampoo because I also have another one with oil and essential oil and distilled water in it that I use to spray my hair daily. Don't want to spray this on your hair daily. That would be a mess. So that's all I use. That's it. You know, Microlocs are so simple. You don't have to do anything. So the first thing I do before I start to shampoo is I section my hair off, and I usually do 3 sections. So I'm looking up because the video is up there. But I usually do 3 sections. I do strike part down the middle in the front and a part going ear to ear for the back. And I shake out all the lint out of my hair. Any lint, any, loose dirt, anything like that that can be taken out while I shake it out dry. I do that before I do anything else, before I wet it. Just, and that's something that you should make a habit of anyway, because I know people always complain about lint. Just shake your hair out at night, shake your hair out literally just do like this. You ain't gotta like shake your head and make yourself dizzy. Just put your hands through your head and do this. Just to get all the lint, the dirt, anything loose out of your hair for that time. After that, I take my sections and I split them further into like rows, not really sections. I split them into rows and I spray my scalp. So I spray my scalp and then I take my fingers and I massage the dirt and the oil out of it. Just to loosen the dirt, and I do that very gently. You see that my hair is staying straight down while I do that. I'm not lifting it up and putting it all over the place and making it messy like those shampoo commercials. I'm just really just gently going in with my fingers, the pads of my fingers, this part of your hands, guys. I'll show you that. So not your fingernails, you're not scratching your scalp, you're doing it like this. Not this, this. And loosening up the dirt, loosening up the oil, anything like that. And you do that all over your head. And then you rinse and you do it again. So you'll see, I'll cut from the first time and then I'll cut to the second time. You'll see the first time I did it, I did not have a lot of suds in my head, and that's because my scalp was really dirty. But once I did it the second time, and I did not add any new shampoo into that bottle or anything like that, once I did it the second time, you could see it was sudsing up really well, and that's because my scalp was clean. This was my second wash. I always do twice because I work out daily and I wash my hair once a week. So I have to do it twice to be sure I got everything and any residual shampoo or whatever. So the first time I'll do it. I'll rinse my hair out. The second time, I'll get in the shower, wash my body, and then rinse all of the shampoo. And I just rinse my hair. I just rinse my hair straight down. I don't agitate my scalp anymore. I'm just rinsing all of the shampoo out of my hair, off of my scalp. I don't need to do any more agitation because I've done all of that when I worked my scalp and I massaged my scalp. So just rinsing. So that's how you avoid the bunching. That's how you avoid the slippage, because you're not doing any extra um what do you call the word? You're not aggravating your locks any longer. You're just getting all of that stuff out. So that's it, guys. That's my wash day. If anybody has any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.